It's a new month and a fresh start. So today's video is about how you can make this month, February, you're the best month of this year, or like the not best also but good month, like you are achieving everything which you wanted to do. So this video is about that, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Orange Zest. My name is Kiran, and today's video is going to be a different video because most of time what I do, I should plan with me videos. Like in journal I plan certain things, so now this time my journaling is done and I wanted to show you things like what you can do to make your year better, like the practical things and not just journaling and planning type of things. So like the in new year, like 2021, we have set a lots of goal for us, like we will do this and that. Like I don't know how many of you did set goals or how many of you not, but it's there something like we always like tend to see new beginnings and new years and like a fresh start. We always want a fresh start, we want to bring a change in our life. So that is the one thing, but what happens, we only think and we fail to take action for that particular plan. So in this video I will be like talking about things like how you can take plans and make the things which you want to achieve, your goals you want to achieve. Like, so first I will talk about myself, like what I did and what I did not and how I will change that, and then I will share some of my tips too with you people so that you can also do the same thing. So in the month of January, like when new year started, I have decided many things. Like I want to shoot consistent video for YouTube, I want to consistently post on my Instagram also. So I did like pretty good job, like I will give myself around 7 out of 10. But there were like many other things like in like offline, so I didn't do that much of exercise. So that one thing, and like I was not able to do a lot of self-care, so that is one thing which I was missing. But I thought like because all the of college and online classes and assignments all were there, so like I was so disturbed, like I was not able to manage my time properly. So that's one thing. But other than that, I did a pretty well job. Like I did my college assignments pretty well, all my presentations went like good. So like I was around good, but I was not the best. But now this month I want to do everything like best, so that nothing like I should not feel guilty that I didn't do that or I didn't do. Like I don't want to force myself also, but like I know that if I arrange everything properly and if I do manage them properly, I will be able to do that, and that's the one thing which I want to do. So that's the one thing. And ignore my messy looks, so also there. And so what things you can do to make your month like the best month? So first important thing is planning. So it is like I talked about planning in my other videos also, but planning is very important. When you plan certain things, you know that I want to do this thing and I will do this thing, and then you know that a flow, a process is there, there is some structure to your life. Otherwise if you don't plan, there will be all the random things, like you will not be able to complete a single thing also. So that may happen. Second is if you are working or something, so whenever you have a certain work, you have to take care that you finish that work prior. Like you don't have to wait for the last moment to complete that work. Like if you're given some project or anything, so like for example 15 is the last date, so what you have to do, you have to work on it. Like from day the project is given, start working on that and complete it as fast as you can. So what happen, you don't have any tension also that on 15 I want to give project, on 15 I want to submit, on 15 like this, there is there. So you don't have that tension, and when you complete it early, like you are free and you can enjoy the other time which is there. So that's one thing, and you can do many other activities. So like you can make different types of travel plans. So what you have to do, you don't have to make a monotonous lifestyle. Like when you have a monotonous lifestyle, you become like becomes very boring and you don't have will to do certain things. So try to make different types of changes, like go to different places and or visit different restaurants, cafe. That's one thing you can do. Or like make time for you to watch different movies. Like the usually which you don't watch or read different types of books. So bring a little change in your life. So change is very important. Change helps us to evolve in many different ways. So try to bring a little change in your life. So what change I brought this month? So my this bed was like, it was horizontal in the room, so I shifted its position. So I keep shifting its position like when and how I want, like, so it gives a little different vibes to my room also, and it's like brings a change. So I keep doing that. So that's one thing I do. Also, there are many different things which you can change. You can change your habits, you can change your hobbies, and you can like talk to different people and know them and share your life, share what you have with them. So that also helps in bringing the change. And maintaining a proper time for your exercise and for healthy eating, that is also very important. So once you start doing exercise and healthy eating, you will like, you automatically start to see change in yourself. Like you start to see that your body is properly, like it's getting full stretch and you are not feeling very lethargic, or you procrastinate less. So that is one thing also. And so these are the little things which you can do. Like I have made my reading list also, and like I have decided some places which I have to go, and also a travel plan. So there are not such, but there are there. And also I have my exam this month, so I want to also prepare for my exam. So there are 7 days left, like from tomorrow, 7 days left. So I have my exam on 8, so I want to prepare for that, but I don't want to burden myself like only focusing on exam or like totally into book and becoming bookworm. So that's not thing. Like whenever you're planning something, so try to make sure that you make that work interesting, or make it like little, you don't have to invest much time in itself, and make it easier, make the process easier. So when you make that process easier, it becomes easy for you to like study also and do other things. So I focus on like particular topics. So like when there are many of topics, so this day I will focus only on this topics, and on the other days I will focus on different topics. So this helps in like maintaining a balance also, and you don't get bored also while studying. And like these are the certain things you can choose according to whatever your lifestyle is, that whatever things you want to change, and you can make different change. And every day you have to make sure that you practice gratitude, and you thank each and everything. Like I thank my phone, like I thank my phone, I thank my books, I thank my windows, and everything which I have. So I'm grateful for everything which I have. And also practicing gratitude for everything you have and whatever you are doing. And I also jot down different things, like what happened with me, what is good things happened with me on that day. And this helps to bring a gratitude also, and you know your memories are also there with you, and you know that your life has many different types of aspects on which you can work. So these are the certain things, and if you follow all of these things, and you can certainly make this month the best month also. And I hope you like this video. This was nothing, just a chit chat video where I was trying to convey that what things I have to do, and what you can also do to achieve what things you want. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a like, share and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. And also I will try to be consistent, and till then, bye.